Okay, guys, this is going to be the class for today. You're going to perform a workshop, and it's about all the topics we already saw. As you can see, we have to, I don't know, you have, me, no. You have to place these roots into the number line and solve these operations. These are very easy, it's like too easy. This workshop, because it is a workshop, you have to upload it into Classroom, okay? At 8:30, you are going to find a place to in Classroom to upload it, okay? So thank you very much for your attention. You're being so kind. Remember to follow me at my social media. You can follow me at I'm running out of ideas. I need to write it. I need to write it up. You can follow me at your favorite teacher. Yes. So don't forget to subscribe and see you in another video. Bye.